Brows are not twins, they're sisters. I'm going to show you a brow hack today for those that cannot do brows. That is going to be a game changer. This is the best brow hack ever for anyone that does not know how to do their brows. You're going to see me using this Juvia's Place Coffee Shop palette. This has been my go-to palette. I have hit pan on so many colors in here, but what I like about this palette is it has a lot of rich dark shades. So depending on what hair color you're wearing, that's how I determine what color I want my brows. So we're gonna go in, I'm gonna go in with this brown right here in the palette where my finger is, and we're gonna take some type of fluffy brush. I'm gonna just use this fluffy brush right here. So if you don't know how to do your brows, all you simply need to do, and we're just gonna be messy. I know it's gonna look crazy, but trust the process. We're just gonna take our shadow and pop it on here. So we're looking like this. This is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. And I like to start out like right here, making like a little V to kind of make sure that the brows are going to be even. And then we're just going to start cleaning up. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Flip that around. So we're looking something like that. Go in and get a little bit more. And we're going to do the same thing here. I like to make like a little V. Then we're just going to draw a shape. Just make sure everything is even. I just removed a lot of product, but that's okay because we're going to fix that. And then we're going to take our little buffer and we're going to buff from the outside like so. And then we're going to do the same on the eyelid where we're dragging the product down and out towards the lash line, and we're patting. We're just patting. Pat, 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 pat. And this is why you have to be careful with that product because sometimes it'll be too much. Just cleaning up. See how my brows are coming together? I know it's not perfect, but we're gonna fix that. We're gonna fix that. I'm just taking the product left on here and sharpening up. And this takes time. That's why you need to use as less product as possible. And then I'm just going to take this little spoolie and just kind of feather this out in the front so it's not so harsh. And that line of demarcation. Same over here. Want more hair-like strokes. Brush the product. You want to dip back into that product and just clean up the edges of that harsh line. And I like to take that my finger and just kind of pull up with it like so. We go back in and touch up with the browns wherever it needs to be. But this just makes it so much simpler, this hack right here. So try it out with eyeshadow. I'm just staying back here working on the tail, and I like to keep the front of the brow lighter and then the tail darker. Give me like a more ombre effect. You just gotta play with it and get the shape and just kind of like, I don't know, just this part right here is the most important part, where you shape everything up. This is my brow hack. Like, if you don't know how to do brows, this is the simplest way I can show you how to do brows. It's a different technique with eyeshadow. You just put it all over, but the key is using your concealer, some type of flat shader brush or whatever, and you shape the brow. And that is it, guys. You don't have to have a steady hand. You just have to take your time and clean up the brow. So I'm going to finish up the rest of my makeup. That does it for this brow segment. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.